we are here with my good friend Andre, and he managed actually to put back everything: alternator, clamps, the hose, new spark. While I was here, I did install the speedo cable, the shifter linkage. It's a Euro Sport, and now we are in the process of double checking the final timing with the rotor there to see where is the TDC at, which cylinder is firing first, and drain the fuel, plug in the battery with the charger and drain the fuel. The fuel is 5 years old in the tank, so hopefully nothing goes bad with the fuel pump. We'll see once we turn the ignition on to drain out the old gas. And we're gonna attempt to start it for the first time. So these are the work that has been done. So Andre managed to put some brand new injectors and seals. It's a brand new injectors and seals in the back. So basically it's all fresh, nothing left unchanged beside the alternator and the idle control valve, but those were working fine when we left the car 6-7 years ago. So today is the day we're gonna attempt to start it for the first time. Alright, after a struggle, I did grab a stick trying to look for the TDC. Now the piston is at the TDC, number 1 and 4, or 4 and 1, vice versa, I believe. And I did, if you guys can see down here, I'm using my lantern again. Here we go. There's a flashlight. I did remove the pulley and put a little mark up here, lining up with the mark on the new valve, on the plastic valve, not the valve but the timing belt. And I tried to time it, and now I believe it's on point. Hopefully it's aligned anyway. Mark doesn't lie from the factory, so let's try to see where I'm gonna put the number 1 cylinder. I believe I'm gonna choose number 1 or number 1, so I will see. I gotta time the distributor and we go from there, right? Right, I hope you guys can see there. Yeah, I had to remove. I didn't remove that plug at the end, but I'm gonna remove the distributor cap, and then I'm doing video now, and then I removed the pulley down there with the belt, and then I double check the line, and then I retimed it a little. Now it's on TDC. So that's the cabin. Right, let's try to start. I got it. Oh my God. That should be it, guys. And now the spark plug.
Shall we pull on all the plugs?
No.
The plugs aren't tightened.
I did.
Oh.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Long short story. Apparently, the car still has almost half tank of gas. Then I tried to drain it. We tried to drain it, and looks like we might need a bigger container. So we went to AutoZone to buy a bigger container. I think it's the 5-gallon. That should be enough, hopefully. Meanwhile, I was in the GTI to jump the wires from the relay for the full pump to keep constantly kicking. So we are just ready for the new jerry can container, and once the full is out, we need a new we gotta grab a new full as well, and it's time to crank this baby. Alright guys, we are having issues here. The car still have like quarter tank, and our bucket is almost full. There's another two 1-gallon container right there. It's already full. This is our last empty bucket, and the gas gauge is still showing a quarter tank. We do have a fresh container here for a fresh gas that we're gonna buy later on, so hopefully this will be enough to empty the nasty brownish old gas. This gas is like 6 years old gas. Thanks God, the full pump is working in tip-top shape. We don't need to buy a new full pump. That was like a suspense while we tried to jump that thing. So, well, good thing the full pump is still rocking. So we are this close to start the little baby here. Alright guys, fuel line is in. Copper washer is in on both sides, front and back. New battery is in. Battery booster is on. He went to go pick up some gas, fresh gas, and I'm gonna throw the fresh gas in the tank. I already removed the center of the ignition coil, so we're gonna crank it, build some more pressure, put it back, plug it back, and moment of truth. This close again, one step closer. What's that?
No, I don't have water.
No, you don't need water. Even 30 seconds, the car running. No worries. Just keep on building oil pressure first.
The oil pressure light went down.
Some more. Give it some more. It's weak already. Put that on start. Where's the mode here?
The other one, that one. Down.
Give it two more. Give it one more. 20 seconds.
You're gonna come down.
Okay. That's fine. Alright, so now let's plug main thing here. Alright, moment of truth. She wants to.
You wanna move the timing?
Correct.
The timing?
No, it's not like Guys, it's running! Second start. No, it's okay. It's okay because the oil needs to circulate a little. But GTI is alive.